everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Hope you are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you MIZON Hyaluronic Acid 100 review. I hope this video is helpful to all, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with your family and friends. So without any further delay, let's get started. Makeup is great, but good skincare is better. MIZON Hyaluronic Acid 100 is a product that you should add to your skincare routine because it has a host of great ingredients, but also because it embraces the idea of targeting the root of problems versus covering up those issues with makeup. So instead of spending a ton of money on makeup to cover your problems, you should be spending money on skincare so you won't need a ton of makeup to cover your O's. MIZON Hyaluronic Acid 100 can be used across the board on any skin type, but especially those in need of extra moisture. This little serum is packed with hyaluronic acid, the holy grail of moisture. It's excellent humectant, so it's not only adding moisture to your skin, it's actually sealing it in. So you will experience longer lasting hydration with a few drops of this added to your nighttime routine. MIZON Hyaluronic Acid 100 comes housed in a small bottle with a dropper for application. I typically reserve using it as part of my nighttime routine, but it is light enough should you wish to use it in the day. It's a watery texture that absorbs easily into skin, but does have a little bit of a tacky feel for several seconds before it sets. It softens the skin dramatically, but most importantly, it helps skin to retain moisture, so skin will look smoother, softer, and more youthful. It contains a host of ingredients including over 50% hyaluronic acid, 50% as well as caffeoyl 3-peptide 1 and ceramide 3. Typically, after I come home at the end of night, I remove my makeup and proceed to mist my damp face with my favorite facial mist. After that, I will either apply a facial sheet mask, or if I'm not doing a mask that night, I will just follow up with my skincare. As the first step of my skincare, I take a few drops of MIZON Hyaluronic Acid 100 and gently tap it onto my face. I will also place the palms of my hands over my cheeks, forehead and chin to allow the product to absorb more fully. In some ways, the tackiness reminds me of Hada Labo Tokyo Replenishing Hydrator or Hada Labo Super Hyaluronic Acid. Now I follow up with the rest of my skincare products. Results are pretty much within seconds of application. Skin feels smoother and softer at the first application, but really over time you will notice your duller skin appears brighter and plumper, so it does have excellent long-term results. All in all, MIZON Hyaluronic Acid 100 is a product everyone should include in their skincare lineup. It's gentle, fragrance-free and delivers plenty of replenishing moisture to skin without making it shiny, greasy or oily. And before you use this product, patch test is needed. Thanks for watching this video.